What's up, guys? Welcome back to WrenchingWrecked. We're doing all sorts of things. Prepping for Chopper Barn. Got the shovel roughly assembled, but I'm running out of SD cards, so I got about 3 minutes. So we're gonna do a short little video. Hopefully we can get this thing to crank over and fire up, which means I need to pour some gas in this tank. Short snippets, not editing, just I have 3.5 minutes of SD card left, so we're running with it. Erasing the clock here, so. All right. Can I fill this and turn the starter key button in less than 3 minutes? That's the real question. Come on, GoPro, you can do this. 2, 3 squirts. Choke on. 3 minutes of SD card and the battery keeps dying. So, I just poured some gas in. I got a small 1/4-inch twist lock petcock on here. So that is open. Oil cap we're gonna check. Squirt of gas. Key on. Lights on. Neutral. Run. Ooh, popped a fuse. What's shorting? Oh, you know what? I think I pinched the hot lead coming into this switch. My bad. Let me fix that. So, I'm putting a new 20 amp fuse in here, because that's the biggest I got at the moment. I usually like running circuit breakers, not fuses, unless that's all I had on hand, which I did in this scenario. So, new 20 amp fuse, because that just popped. I like circuit breakers because they reset. Headlight on, tail light on, running out of SD card, trying our best here. Hopefully this doesn't kill it. It does not, so it was that pinched wire. Squirt. As easy as it gets. I barely even rotated this starter. Okay. I don't want to run it too long because that's the first start on a brand new motor, but she's running. Sounds happy. Just checking the oil flow in the oil tank. It's a little slower than I'd like it to be, but we'll come back and check that. I didn't hear it start knocking or anything yet. We'll have to keep an eye on that. I did have the oil pressure switch out, hence that cookie sheet. Me rotating the motor over in gear had it pumping oil, so oil pump should be working, but there is a lot of line runnage up to this filter and then back to the thing. So we will keep an eye on that one before we fire this up again, but I'm pretty happy with that. That even idled. It's about as good as that gets. Fire it up one more time, send customer a video. He's gonna be thrilled. Make his day, or week. It's only Monday after all. That's it, out of SD card. We'll catch you on the next one.